Hi, and welcome again with part 8. We are doing together ASP.NET Core API with the Flutter. So our main job with this course is just to build the ASP.NET Core API and fetch it through Flutter. As we said, we'll learn how to add, fetch, or say post data, delete it, update it through Flutter. So what we have done last time is we built our UI or student list UI. Let's go to our code and see what we have done there. Okay, we have built our student list and we have built our API services. So today what we'll do, so here now what we have is only to fetch the data from the database through our ASP code, after that to the Flutter. So now we need to add or post data. How to post data? Firstly, I think it's the best to add the UI. So we need to design the UI, build our front. After that we come back to the API service, we add our post code. So first things is we need to build a new Dart file. Let's call it add student. So this one will be not only for adding student. This file will be for updating, for editing, for let's say for details. If you want more details about student, will show you in the same forum. So we'll use this class to, or this UI to do more than one things. It's nothing new, similar to what we have done in the previous one in the student list. So you can do as I said to you, the short way to write everything. Sorry, full. You can do it like this. It will give you everything. This one way and the other way to write everything by your hand. So let's use this way now. What we call it? We call it add student. Okay, here it's alright with us. And as you remember before, I told you if we want to pass data. So here we will pass data. What's that data we are passing? So when I press on that list, I press on any name, should open for me this, the new one we are doing, details or editing or anything. So if it's empty, it will be add. I think we'll see it step by step what will happen after that. So I will say final student. Okay, we'll call it stu, because will be here just one student. Okay, too many things. So I just need to import student. I don't know if they have this fixing. Oh yeah, nice. So they will call it for me. We call it student. That's great. Student. I think. Okay, let's back against that. We'll see what's it here. And say again the constructor for this one. Yow. Student. It will be this, just to pass it to the second one. Okay, done. Okay, so here this one should be overridden. I don't need this one now. So if I go back here, there you can fix it. I think you can override something here. Let's say what is here. I don't need all these things, so let's try it everything by our hand. Let's say here add override. It will be the state for the who will be for the state full widget for get. Here the state underscore add student state. I need to pass student. That's not from me. Okay, I'll create this one now. Oh, sorry. See, so I put it here. What I'm passing to, oh sorry, add, oh my God, student. Why this one not accepting what they're saying here? Add student are removing the extra. Go back to it again. No, always extra things coming from keyboard, not from me. So let's call again in the add student state. So what I need here to create again, I need to create a student. I don't need this one. Okay, I will call it again student. Okay, the constructor add the student state. It will be again this dot student. That's fixing this error. So now we need to build the text field. I don't know, we should use same what we have done in this one, how to enhance our clean code. We can do same this clean code here. I think it's better to do clean code. Yeah, let's try to do it clean code better. So here we have container. Let's do it scaffold. Inside this scaffold we'll have app bar. So this app bar, I want to copy same what I have done this app bar here. So it's similar. I can't say here. I can put it here. So I'm gonna change this because student. I put it here. Oh, what we have done here. So yeah. Okay, this easy one. So the body will be too many things in this body. So I think let's create sorry, body not body. Oh, okay, let's create let's call it build forum. So it will be one for first name, second last name, and for the we can put something for gender too, because we have gender there. Okay, let's create this widget under this one. Okay, let's do this one. What will return this one? This will be hard job here. It's not that hard, but we need to just to be careful how we are building the forum. It will be a bit ugly after that. We can enhance it with the editing with many things inside it. So here I don't know, let me think how we can run it, because we are saying student. So let me just do, okay, let me just put one text only. Sorry, I will put one text field only, and I will not reach. I want to try to run it with this text only, the text field. What we can do with this text field, sorry, it should be like this. Here, close it. So the text field will have something we call it controller. Let's call it first name controller. What this for controller? We'll copy this one. We'll go to the top where we can put, I think, in the building widget. Where is it? Somewhere here. Yeah, under this one. So here first name equal that's not the text equal will be student dot first name. So what's the controller here? I can say it's something same container. When we fetch the data from or when the user press on the list, so he will send student that first name object as a student here. So this object will be in save it inside this controller, but we'll declare the controller on the top again to understand what the controller more. If we go to here, I'll say again will be var. Okay, equal we'll call it text edit controller. Sure, I need similar for the last name. Okay, if we go here, same. So here we are setting the data inside the controller to use it after. We call it last name. Here will be student last name. I think a bit confusing, but will be easier after we will understand it more. So here we have add our controller. After we adding our controller, we can do something for styling. Edit back to you. I will create text style, but I will leave it smaller because I want to create something in the top to call text style. Back to it. So okay, let's go create this one in the top and we'll see how it will be. Because what we are doing when we do something, we write it more than place this, because this style will be used in the text field name and last name. I think it will be too maybe in the drop down list. So we write it one place only, or we declare it as a public in one place. After that we can call it where you can put RCM with the rest of the declaration here. Let's say var, we copy it from there, equal text style. Okay, so this text style, what will be back here just to set our data in it. So what we'll say, text style equal theme, okay, dot of context, the text. Here we are inheriting the theme to be one for all the styles, all the UIs. They will have same how can I explain to you, to have standard colors for all the UIs. So I can call the, or when I press on any UI, it will send same time the colors with it. So I will inherit the colors. I will take the colors of the title to put it for the style. Everything will be same, the color of the title. I think confused, but will be easy, same too. So we have it here now, our style. So what I need to write more after the style, I can put my on change. I will leave it null now. I think decoration, let's use decoration too. Decoration will be input decoration. Now yeah, input decoration. Inside this input decoration, okay, what we'll use inside the we'll use the one down there. Let's say label, sorry, label text, label. So the label for this text box will be, let's say, first name, and the label style we'll use same style that we have used before. See this now, I don't need to write it many times, just I call it once, that will be enough. So I'll put border 2. This border will be outline to outline. Which one we can use? We can use outline input border, this one. So inside this one we'll say a border radius. We can say again border radius. We can say to make the circle around, or the edge, it will be circle 5.0. you will see it now how it will look. So I think this one enough. Let me save it. I don't know if I can run it. How to see this one? Just I want to change something here. I'll back this change after. Rather than using student here, I want to use add student. Yes. A quick fix. Call this one. So here we send the student. Let's send something. We say student. Okay, I need to send something empty because they need a student there. Let's say like this. First name, last name, and send one. So left. Yes, just we need to call the student. Quick fix. We don't have it. So I need to call the models only. Import model. I want to call student. Come on. So we have conflict here between something student. Yeah, nice. It's type of, so we are sending something empty because we have declared something here. If you remember in the builder here we said we'll send you something, so we are expecting something. So let me save. Something is not saved. Okay, let's go run it. We'll save automatically. So this is what we got now. This is the text box we have added it. It's a bit ugly and there is no padding in the edge or nothing there. So let me just try add one more and we'll see what will happen with us. So we are here. So to add two things here, you can't add two things straight away. So you need to put something to a container to put all of them together. Let me put what we can put here. So it will be more than one thing, and we need to be dynamic with the screen. So let's put list view. Okay, this list view, what we can put. Okay, let's close this one here first. Control X will be 20 things now to do it here. Okay, oh sorry. Put this one, leave this one here. Okay, so we are inside the list view. So this list view will have children. Just a minute. Why it doesn't work? So let's write it children. Let me cut this one all now from here. Control X. It's coming again. So we have children. This children means to have more than one item inside the list view. So it will be array of text field. So this first one, let me just make everything's nice, because this will be too confusing to do all these things. So let me copy one more here, Control C, like this. I don't need this one here, this one here. So if I save this one, I'm back here, I should have two, first name. It's taking time to run it. left to right, and let's try to change. So this one will be the controller for the last name controller. Okay, and will be last name. I think nothing more here to change. Save it, back again. It's taking time. Building the sync, it takes time sometime. So what we can do more, I need one more thing is the still let's do something with the styling. After that we'll change it. That's what we got after we just save our changes. It's look too ugly, it's not good. Let me do one things before finish this video. I think it's 20 minutes too long. It'll be boring video. So I want to add just one thing just to show you. It's the padding. Okay, okay, we'll finish the padding in the top there. So let me just do it now here. I would say padding. I will do padding for top. I will put 35.0, and for left I will put 10, and for the right I will put 10. That's good. After that I'll put the children for the one child will be let me copy just this one, X. I will put it in the end here. Okay, if we go back now there, child is the child for the padding. Let's save it back to our emulator. I don't know why it's taking time. This now nice. See, it's now nice, better. But next video we'll add the drop down list. We'll add the 2 buttons for editing, and we'll enhance the UI to be better than this. I think this video is 22 minutes. It's too long. I didn't expect to be this long, but as you see, I'm doing everything step by step and slowly to make you understand and to see what we are doing. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.